Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is Wave Accessibility Tool. Okay, if I click on Wave, it's an evaluation tool. We'll do a lot of accessibility testing here. This is one of the extension where we can add to Chrome. The interface will look like this. It will put the website on one side. It will show you errors. It will show you alerts. Let me add this tool. Let me add to Chrome. I'll show you one example how it will look like. So it is asking for add extension. Let me click on add extension. So this will add an extension. It is downloading the Wave now. Now it is done. Okay. Click on Wave. Click on pin it. So it will come to pin. So Amazon.com will have a lot of features, right? Let me click on the Wave now. As you can see, it has one error. It has two construct errors. It has one or two alerts, 156 features, 44 structural elements, and 400 area. If you want to click on Wave details, click on Wave details. Click on the image. It will show you the image also. You can navigate down. You can see the errors. You can see very low construct errors also. This is a warning. What warning it has? If you click on the warning, no script element. So it has no script element for this. So it is navigating me. Yeah, see here, this is an error where they're talking. So very low contrast. So if you're doing the accessibility testing, you have to make sure that if the person is disabled, how they can see the same window, same website, how we can navigate through it. So many construct errors are there. The missing alternate element text is also there. There are one or two alerts. We can go for each and every alert. So click on that. It is redundant alternate text. So alternate text is redundant here. I think the same issue here also. We have one or two of that. We have 72 long alternative tests. Click on any one. It will show you the alternate text also. Click on it, the image has long alternate text. So these and all can be avoided. Okay. So this is very useful tool. Even we use a lot in our testing mechanism if you're doing the accessible testing. Okay. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.